Right.
We won't put that on last.
No.
Well,
right. No. We can do.
No,
right.
no.
Well, let's start again. I've just popped over to see Jeff, and he's doing something that I didn't think he could do, and he didn't think he could do it either, but he has done it, which is quite impressive, really.
Well,
so, do you explain what you're making right now on your lathe?
Well,
an aluminium
pulleys.
Yes.
These are just they're loads of, and I thought, well, we'll machine them to about 26, 27, just over an inch wide, and I can.
So what are the pulleys for? What are the pulleys for?
This way.
No. Just tell me what they're for first.
For pulleys.
For pulleys.
Tooth pulleys for 8mm HTD.
For driving magnetos and
magnetos,
superchargers. Right. So if we come over here,
cam belt.
Yeah.
I believe that the car cam ones are a different pitch
profile. Right. So what's interesting is you've got your little vertical mill here, and you've got it set up.
It's all set up now with
for very tediously cutting teeth in pulleys, which is pretty cool, really.
Yeah. It's originally an optical grinding head.
Right. I can't
but
see
the
that.
it's a precision. You can't. It's damaged.
Right.
And I was virtually given it.
Right. Okay.
But everything in it's a lot more accurate. It's more precision, with the tailstock, because you can actually adjust it that way and actually adjust it. So when you get your bar, to hold everything in between centres, you can actually get it all dialed to within.
Spot on.
So
and the cutting is done by this thing here.
That is
which you just bought one of them.
It was a fantastic. I saw it on eBay and I thought, can't believe this. But it was £65.
Right, that seems a lot for one
high-speed steel cutter, but it's the profile of the tooth.
Which you need.
So, yeah, but what I've done...
was it a new one or was it a used one?
It's brand new.
Okay.
It's brand new. Still in the box. But what I have is basically that ball on there is just a bit over 5mm.
Okay.
So what I've done on the arbor, what I'll do, that's a 5mm ball cutter that I had previously, and I'll go in with a cut with that, do all the rough work,
and then finish off with that,
and then so it's not
wearing it out.
So it takes a lot of the wear off it. Yeah.
So that finishes off the profile of the teeth.
So then I'll bolt that on.
Yes.
I've had to machine everything to get them
spot on. Yeah.
And I just
Right. So we've got.
And it's worked out.
It's worked really, really well. I was quite surprised when you told me you were doing this. So over here we've got the
I've done
work in
I
progress.
finished them this morning, 5. Yeah.
That looked really good.
Well, I've had the
Got your little test belt.
I had all the test. Well, that's a brand new one, and I've just got them absolutely. The first one I did, I put the belt on, and as it starts to come around halfway, you can see it doesn't.
It's not quite sitting.
It starts not to go in, but you're thinking to yourself.
And why was that? Why?
So I had to rejig it all up, set it, and I just took about a thou. I went round and just put, and it's boring, believe me. Yeah. And I took a thou out of every tooth, and it's perfect.
That's okay now.
It's something that you can't physically measure. It's difficult to do it.
Yeah, and you were saying you then, having done that, you then got to manually deburr them.
That's the problem, yeah.
Every little tooth.
They're my test ones. That was just a block that I did on.
Yeah.
And that's like I say, that now will do as a mag pulley. I had made them years ago, and I'd machined them to the size I wanted. And I made, but if you just look very close, you can just see where
mark there, yeah.
It's not quite.
It's not bad though. It's not bad.
No, but at the end, it won't affect them.
No.
It won't, because as I say, once they put that there, you find that the tooth at the top doesn't really come into contact.
Well,
it's only mainly the.
But it's engaging all the way around, isn't it? So
but like you say, to get them, it's not an easy job.
No.
It's time consuming.
No, a while ago, I took some.
But this is the jig, isn't
pulleys. Oh God, that's a big old thing, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, that's my 44 tooth. It's got
44 teeth. That's what.
And it all bolts in between centres. So basically, what you do.
So that bolts into the vertical miller.
So like there now, I'm going to do them 48s and all that. Okay. Basically, what you do.
And you've machined those.
I'll bolt my 48 mandrel on there.
Right.
And then they'll bolt on with it, so everything's solid, and you just keep clicking it round, and it locks into the tooth.
Oh, so you're starting off with an existing
pulley, yeah.
That gives you a guide.
Oh God.
Okay, fair enough. You couldn't do it manually.
You could.
Oh, it'd be difficult.
You'd need such precision you know, you need such a precision dividing head.
Yeah.
You know, not half of these things that you see second-hand, the worn.
Yeah. But I was just saying, I did take away some pulleys for you a while ago that I got hard anodised. Sort of.
Yeah. Well,
what were they for? Because we're black, weren't they? I hadn't done black.
Well, let's put them back on there.
Yeah, don't.
Well, they're here.
Oh, they're in there.
Yeah.
So they've been hard anodised by Camcoat. Very hard finish.
That's a 27.
So you bought those, didn't you?
I bought them and then I machined them.
Yeah.
Because that will end up bolting. I've got different spacers and I'll bolt it on there.
And then you can duplicate it.
Through the 3 bolts there.
Okay.
And it'll be locked solid. And then I'll use the actual tooth with a special, with that.
Okay, let's go and understand what's going on here.
If you'd have come before, it was all set up, but I've obviously just took it off.
Yes.
So basically that will fit on the bar. I can adjust this in.
Oh, right.
And it's spring loaded, so every time I'll just set the centres and just pull that out and then click it to the next one, and that pin will lock in.
Spin. Okay. Okay, so that's I wonder what that was for. It's a spring-loaded gizmo.
I've made it so that for doing different. You've got to set it all up.
So it's just kind of like a locking thing, isn't it? Like a locking guide. Okay, it's quite clever that.
But the reason I had them hard anodised is because so that obviously it doesn't wear as it.
God no.
Text.
So was that the reason you did it? That was the idea back in the day.
Yeah.
That was ages ago I did that. Yeah.
Yeah, but this is now.
Okay, cool. So now you can duplicate them.
And the 33.
So pulleys are us at the moment. Okay.
Yeah, but all the others, I managed to get all them that I've drilled and done. Yes. They're all steel.
Right. Where's that alloy here?
Whereas them are aluminium. Yeah.
Yeah, you can't anodise steel, I'm afraid. Although you can coat them. I mean, you can coat them in like Cerakote.
That doesn't matter. They
I mean, they're really hard wearing.
Black coating on them anyway.
Yeah, they're pretty hard wearing.
As long as you make sure that there's no burrs or crap in there. You've got to keep analysing every time you click it in, making sure
there's nothing,
no bits of swarf dropped in.
No. Right, so you're making all these pulleys.
So I thought I'd just have a bit of a binge on them.
Right, okay.
Because the TIG welder's fucked.
Sorry. That's all right. Your TIG's seen better days.
That's seen better days. Well, Brian come and he said, "Oh, forget it.
Forget it. This is dead."
Yeah.
So you're in need of a welder.
I've got. Well, Steve, that one there's not work. I don't know what's wrong with it.
You got another one
Steve,
that also doesn't work.
Well,
but you don't know why.
It won't. I've tried it, and you just keep it in the pedal,
and it's not happy.
And the HF, whether the HF unit's not working.
So you're in need of a decent welder.
So
because that one's seen better days, to say the least. Anyway, I'm sure one will turn up.
It was a switch at first, but I bypassed it and wired it direct, and it
still's not working. So I think it's had its day.
Something. Well, it must be 30 years old now.
Yeah.
So it's definitely.
Well, it's quite young for you, isn't it, in this place? Most things are never older than that. That's a new one.
It's probably the newest thing.
Yeah. I would like to think how old some of these things are. I mean, how old's that, for example? How old's your pillar drill? Your Elliott?
God, that. 60s.
60s?
Possibly.
Yeah, so that makes it 60 years old.
It could be 70s, I'm not really
sure. This
is
also an Elliott, so this is also quite old.
They're all 50s.
Yeah.
I'd say 50s.
Built when England still made things.
Well, hang on. This is too. I think there's a date on this. This Miller. And I think this is about
a danky.
Late 90s.
Is it? Oh, it's quite new for you then.
This is quite new.
Quite new. Bloody hell. Doing well there. Right. So that's what Jeff's been up to, and so we bypass that because that's just that's just sitting here, not going in at the moment.
Well, yeah.
But the reason why Jeff needs a new welder or a welder that works because in here he's building a frame for somebody. This is a drag racing frame.
I've got it all set up to do it.
So set up to go, but he needs to weld it together.
Well, I've got all the.
As you can see.
Have you seen the moisture in here?
Oh, the moisture's starting to rust you.
This was all bright, cleaned, everything right. So I'm going to have to
get that W40, whatever.
Well, it's the roof. It's been dripping. Well,
we had some. Yeah. Then again, it's been so warm, hasn't it? Recently, it's been about 15 degrees.
I think
it's November.
Water, really.
Yeah.
You know, if you get heavy rain.
Yeah. Oh God, yeah.
It comes under and you can feel it.
Yeah.
Splashing through.
Anyway, so that's why you need a welder for the time being. So hopefully you'll find one.
To get one to stay. The only other option.
I had one, but I gave it to my brother. So.
Well, that was a MIG.
That was a MIG. Yeah. You want a TIG, do you?
Well, you could nickel bronze it, but then I've virtually no acetylene.
Right. Okay. So whichever way you go.
Whichever way I go.
You need a welder. Yeah. But we know a man with a welder, don't we? Hasn't Lister got one that he wants?
He has, but it's only a scrap, and the leads they're not his.
Okay.
And they're a different set. And Lister said, "Well, if you use it, they're Joe's leads." And he said, "Well, you're going to have to get your own."
Okay.
So that means then I've got that leads.
Well, okay.
And then he says, "But every time you use it, if you borrow it, can you bring it back?" And I'm going, "Well,
Yeah, there's always
well, not for, you know.
there's always issues, isn't it? Borrowing things. Anyway, so
the thing is, I've got the money. So the only other thing is if I could sell this, I'd have the money to buy the TIG.
But you can't sell it before it's finished, so.
But I can't sell it.
No, swings and roundabouts.
You know.
Chicken and eggs. Right. Okay. So.
Chicken and eggs.
Yeah. Right. So. That's what Jeff's been up to.
Them.
Oh no, they've been up there.
Yeah.
So are they waiting to go off to be powder coated, or are you just still do a bit more?
I've got to still do a
bit more welding. Yes, of course.
There's only a little bit to do on the back.
Yeah.
Just a little bit, and then like a little bit of dressing up, cleaning.
Yeah. Okay. And then they can go off.
Yeah.
But since you've not got a welder, you can't do it.
Oh no, I could do that.
Oh, okay.
I've been using the.
Oh, you still
stick.
got. Oh, you got your little stick welded out, but you can't use that.
I mean, sometimes, but with things like that, because the MIG welds are not pretty.
No.
And sometimes you weld it, and you can do a little bit of filing.
Yeah, you can file it all down. Yeah, make it look nice, and the powder coat covers a lot of sins.
It's all been blasted and it's powder coated.
Yeah.
Well,
they'll never know. Well, yeah, I mean
that's been done.
Yeah, I mean your drag racing frame in there looks beautiful. You know.
Yeah, it's nice, lovely.
Yeah, very well done that. Yeah, he did a good job with that. Right, okay.
I mean, if you're building a 30 or a 40,000 pound bike,
which you're not.
You're not. You want everything
spot on. Well, it's good enough for a race bike.
Well, when I say spot on, it's just an average. It's just an average.
It's good
bike.
enough. It's good enough.
It's good enough.
It's a road bike. It's a road bike.
For a road bike, yeah.
Right. Okay.
It's never going to go into a show.
No. Well, you never know.
Well,
but at this rate, it's never going to go anywhere. But anyway.
Thank you very much.
Well, the truth hurts sometimes, Jeff. Right. Okay. So that's what's going on with Jeff. He's busy making pulleys, putting teeth into pulleys, which is quite cool. And we'll come back and catch up another day and see what you're going to do with those bloody pulleys.
The only thing is, what you've got to watch is...
Right, it's my phone just turned itself off, or I turned it off, which is a good sign because it means it's time to stop and time for tea. So we'll leave it there.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching, everybody.
Thank you.
And we'll start again. Oh, no, I won't.
Right, so, in fact, what I want to do, set that like that. I don't want it rolling off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, so my phone just turned itself off, all right.